are the Amazon Christmas delivery cut-off dates. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what they are. Now, if you want to find out more about selling things on Amazon, subscribe to my YouTube channel. We post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. With that being said, let's get into it. So for items sold by Amazon, so that's FBA for you and I, they can order up to the 23rd of December for expedited delivery and up to the 21st of December for standard delivery. Okay, so up to those points, Amazon will guarantee they will get it within these areas, of course. Within these areas, they'll guarantee that. Actually, that's Australia. In the USA, they're even later. So you can order on 24th of December and get it same day on many products in the USA, and it's up to like I think the 23rd for standard delivery, something like that. So pretty impressive, pretty amazing really what Amazon can do. And then for if you are sending things with eBay and AusPost and things like that, which is what lovely Sue Josephson talked about a lot last week, it's a little bit different. So parcel post 13th of December. I mean, look at the difference in that. It's just insane. Standard delivery 21st of December for Amazon. For AusPost 13th of December. So like a week and a bit worse. And then Express Post is the 20th of December to get it there on time. With Amazon, it's the 23rd of December. Okay. So pretty impressive what Amazon's able to do, and it's a very good reason, another I think very good reason, if you're selling on Amazon, to use FBA, because the shipping is just incredible, and also the shipping costs is just insane relative to other things as well. But especially this time of year, what you're looking to get is you're looking to get that next to your listing. The way that you get that is by being FBA. That's how Amazon will know that they can get that shit there on time, and that's how they'll know you get that little thing there, which is going to be very important. Very important. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. We have over 2,500 members and growing, and our sales are over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description, and I will see you on the inside. Until then, bye.